Marvel Pack figure thing. And I hope we get the skateboard dude, or the vampire, the zombie, the rock and roll dude, or the underwater thing.
Show everybody the pictures on the front so we can see which ones you're talking about. So you're hoping to get one of those guys there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it and see. Do you need help?
No, thank you. We got
Let me see.
the vampire.
You got the vampire. Hold it up. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Is that the one you wanted the most?
Yeah, and it comes with a bat and a thing.
Comes with a cape?
Yeah, also. And also goes on them. I have one of these before, but my dog chewed it up. But hopefully I get another one.
Okay, what does that part do?
This part,
Yeah.
it goes on his arm like this.
What is it?
It's a bat. It goes on his
Oh, it's
arm.
a bat. He has a bat that goes on his arm. Do you need me to try, see if I can put it on there?
Oh, thank you.
Okay. There
That's
we
our
go.
figure. And let's see what character we got now.
So it comes with more pieces of paper that tells you all the different characters?
Yes. And we got, let's see if we can find it on here.
There he is, I can see him.
Wait. If I get either this guy or this one.
Is this the guy you got? Right here.
Yeah.
Turn it around for the camera to see. Okay, that's the guy you got. So you're going to hope for all these others? These are Imaginext
Yeah.
toys.
Can we get another one later?
Okay, you need to say goodbye to your viewers.
Bye.
Look at the camera.
Bye.
And we hope that you will subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.